Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply false lashes in a really simple way. I'm going to break it down in a couple of steps so that it's really easy to understand, and by the end of this video hopefully you'll be a pro at it. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoy this video after watching it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see anything else from me. And that being said, we're gonna get started. Okay, so you just need a couple of things before you get started. First, obviously, you're gonna want to have a pair of falsies with you. These are the Spellbound lashes by House of Lashes. You're going to need some lash glue. I'm going to be using Duo Lash Glue. You can get this at Ulta, Target, Rite Aid, pretty much anywhere. And lastly, a pair of tweezers to help you apply the lashes. So one of the very first things that you want to be sure you have done is already having mascara on. So I find that I ruin my lashes a lot faster if I wait until after they're applied to apply mascara, because then you get the mascara all over the lashes and they're really hard to wash. So I always make sure that I put that on before I start the lashes. These lashes, they did not come this size at first, so I've already trimmed them. If you do not know how to trim lashes just yet, I do have a video on that, and I'm going to link it somewhere around this video for you to see. So if you don't know how to do that yet, go watch that video and then come back to this. So I'm going to start by applying the glue to the lash, something that I like to do. This is not the only way to do it, but I like to get just a little bubble of glue poking out from here, so I squeeze it super gently until I get a little dollop just like that of glue coming out. And I'm going to apply that to the top of the lash on the band only, just like that. Hopefully you can see. You want to be really careful not to squeeze too hard, because then you can get a big glob of the glue to come out, and of course that's not a good thing. You just want a layer, one thin layer all the way across. Make sure it's nice and even. And I also go in and put just a little bit extra on these corners here so that I can make sure that they stick down nice and solid. And then you're going to want to let it dry for at least 45 seconds. A lot of people say 30 seconds is good, but I find that especially with Duo Lash Glue, it doesn't get tacky enough. And tacky means that it's still kind of wet, but just a little bit sticky, and sticky enough so that you can apply it to your lash. So now we wait. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the lashes to my eye. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is have your tweezers. And I like to put it at the very edge right here of the lash, because I want to apply the outer edge first. This just helps me make sure that I apply it as close to my lash line as possible and in the right place. Sometimes if you drop them just in the center, they're going to be too far to the right or too far to the left. So I always go in on that outer corner first. And I'm going to just use a little mirror and have it below me. I don't want to be looking up, I want to be looking down. And I'm going to slightly close my eye and apply that to the outer corner here and press it for 5 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the middle of the lash, press that down, and I'm going to work my way in to the inner corner here. Press it as close to my lash line as possible and hold it for about 10 seconds. Try not to blink. And there you go. And then what I like to do is I take the opposite edge of the tweezer and I just kind of go across the whole lash band and press it just to make sure that it's stuck in all places. And there you go. After that's done, you want to leave it alone for at least 30 seconds so that you can make sure it sticks. So this would be a good time for you to do with the other eyelash. And we're just going to repeat that same process. Squeeze just a little bit of that glue out and apply it. Nice thin layer all the way across the lash band and let it dry for 45 seconds to a minute. Since I'm right-handed, I like to start in the center with this side. It really depends on you if you're left-handed or right-handed. But I try to just kind of drag and drop where I think it needs to go. Press down the center, and then I'll work on the outer edge here. And then I'll grab the inner corner here and press that down and hold again for 10 seconds. Since that is needing to dry for about 30 seconds, I'm going to go on this side. I'm just going to use my fingers, or you can use an eyelash curler, and I'm just going to press the lashes into my natural lashes so that they fuse a little bit better, and it's a little bit harder to tell that I'm wearing false lashes. I mean, you can obviously tell, but sometimes you can have your own lashes sticking straight out from here, so that's why I do that. You just want to disguise it a little bit, you know? Alright, and that is it. The lashes are on. I hope this tutorial was easy for you to understand, and I hope you can go and practice it now and get it. I know lashes can be one of the hardest things to do when you're starting to learn how to do your own makeup. But again, I hope my video helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below to let me know what you would like to see from me next. And I am so thankful that you guys have been watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.